Connecting your smartphone to your territory will give you wireless access to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a range of features on the infotainment system. To pair your phone, first make sure its Bluetooth is enabled. Press the device management button on the home screen, press device list to view the device list, then the add new button and follow the prompts. Now your phone is connected. Note that some devices may still require a cable to connect to Android Auto, so just plug in and you're good to go. The central screen on your territory houses a large range of settings and features. On the home page, you'll find several key navigation buttons. The media button gives you access to the multimedia screen and the media currently being played. The vehicle settings button gives you access to settings for vehicle information, vehicle safety, body settings, and ambient lighting. Device management is where you can perform operations such as Bluetooth pairing, Apple CarPlay connection, and Android Auto connection. A vertical menu to the left-hand side of the screen gives you control over your audio settings, audio source selection, infotainment settings, and phone settings. You can return to the home page at any time by pressing the button at the top left of the screen or the hard button on the center console. Territory's central screen really is the hub to controlling your vehicle. Next time you're in your territory, make sure you explore all it has to offer.